So hi to everybody. My name is Tereza Sorejsova and I'm from Czech Technical University in Prague. In my speech, I would like to continue on from a presentation my colleagues had 2 years ago at this forum in Helsinki. In 2014, my colleagues presented the technical and process solution of the interconnection of university repository on DSpace platform with other parts of information system. The whole project at that time covered typical source systems like study information system and a research information system, from which we fully automatically filled the target systems like the university repository and a library system. The whole project or the whole system cooperates with the identity management system of our university, and that ensures that each user in every system is identified by the person number, which is very important for us. Of course, since 2014, we have moved forward and we adopted ORCID ID as another identifier of our scholars next to the person number. And thanks to this and the steps that we made before, the ORCID ID is automatically downloaded in every part of the university information system. Of course, the implementation of ORCID, during the implementation, several problems occurred. One of them was how to get in DSpace together person number, which is very important for us, with the ORCID ID. DSpace has an authority module which can assign to the DSpace identifier in UEID format only one external ID, which might be fine for people who only wanted for ORCID ID. But in our case, we needed at least two identifiers, person number and ORCID ID. Because only via the person number can we secure the correct synchronization during fully automated data transfers. During the process of importing metadata in DSpace, the author's name used to be saved just as a string, but that resulted in duplicities. Now, there is a new authority control in DSpace which allows for putting together the author name and ORCID ID. But we changed this and we put together the author name and DSpace authority. No, mistake. We put together the name and person number, which is very important for us. And then, during the import, it's possible to find out whether the author person ID already exists in DSpace or not. And then, the UEID is either assigned, and the whole authority might be eventually updated, or UEID is newly created. Our enhancement means that we created another process which joins together the whole authority in DSpace, which in our case includes person ID, person number, and it joins it together with the ORCID ID. But it could be any other ID, not only ORCID ID, but it could be, for example, researcher ID, Scopus author ID, or just login names, and so on. The whole process works independently, no matter when the ID or the authority was created. Therefore, we extended the RESTful API, and there is a new possibility that allows searching by ID and storing data dependent on them. And now it's time for some pictures from DSpace. Here you can see item record with different authors in different rows. And you can click on that And then you can see the whole authority record. The whole authority record should include UEID, the ORCID ID, and personal number, personal ID. Also, it includes all items that are connected to the authority in DSpace. Usually, we import all records automatically, but in case we need to submit a new item manually or edit previously imported item, it's possible to find out or to look up the author in new index. And you can look up the author or search either by ORCID, either by name, or by personal number. And then you can again by name, by the personal number, or by ORCID ID. And then you can again see all the items that are connected to the authority, and it's easier for you to assign the right author to it. And that's it. If you are interested in it, there are some links. The first one is links to the presentation I mentioned at the beginning. The second one links to the RESTful API enhancement that we have.